Hey everyone, welcome back to ForexScholars, and I hope you all have had a great week. Now, today wasn't a very great day for me. My mindset was fluctuating a bit. A lot of things happened, and I lost around 2.5 hour today. So let's understand what was the reason behind losing that money and how did I choose the wrong trades, or what was the logic behind choosing the trades and what actually went wrong. So if we come to the first trade that I took, which was basically CAD JPY. In CAD JPY, basically my only observation was this. Just take a look at the 4 hours time frame. If we take a look at the 4 hours time frame from this particular area, we got a break of structure. That means we got a trend continuation. Now I cannot take a trade on a 4 hours time frame, so I had to shift to the smaller time frame, which is 1 hours. And when I come to the 1 hour, I see that there has been a recent chalk that has happened. And to be even more precise, this was the area from where it all started. Just this is the exact area from where the chalk started, and I thought that this can be a good area to again take a trade from. So what I basically did was, and I when the market was actually moving, the trade was somewhere around here, near 7:30, near 7 to 6 to 7 p.m. And I thought that this can be a great area to trade as well, because this ultimately gave a break of this particular low, and this particular low as well. If you can look, it has given multiple low breaks, and this tells me that the trend is highly confirmed. And when there was news, the news just got over and the candlestick was somewhere around here, around 6:37 p.m., and I took the trade. Now, and as soon as I took the trade, what I did was I went a little bit aggressive, because I thought this can be a great trade to take on, and I just went full position in this with 1.5 hour. I added extra zero point 0.5 hour in this, and I took the trade, and ultimately I got my stop triggered in this trade. The only reason, if you can see why my stop got triggered in this trade, was if you just look at the left side, although this is where the actual fall started, there is a lot of liquidity all around here. Now you always have to understand that when there is a lot of liquidity on the left side, even if the fall has started from particular OB, there is always a chance that the stock or the pair won't respect that particular OB. It will go grab some liquidity and again come down. Now that is what happened with this as well. It grabbed some liquidity, it again went higher and higher, and it has ultimately hit a particular supply zone. So my trade got absolutely invalid. And also because there was a lot of news related to USD today at 7 p.m., at 8:30 p.m., and that is why this up move has come in these CAD and JPY pairs as well. Now this was where I went wrong. I chose liquidity. I chose to ignore liquidity because basically I wanted to make money on the last day. I did not want it to end up with small profits by the weekend, and that ultimately triggered some nerves in my brain, and I lost the money. Now if we come to the second trade that I took, very simple explanation as well. This trade should have been straight up avoided, but again, as I said, I choose not to ignore it, and I lost some money as well. Now if you take a look at EUR-JPY, it looks very good on the bearish side. It has been continuously at the supply, and after a long time, it gave it gave a break of this particular structure. Now, when you see a structure like this, which has consolidated for God knows 3 to 4 to 5 days, and you've got a break of structure, you have got a change of character, then you feel very excited, and that is what I did. I chose this particular area to short, which was absolutely perfect. Even now I still think that this area of shorting was absolutely a wonderful area for short. But when you go on to the 15 minutes time frame, you get a bit closer perspective to the story, that around 8:30 p.m. there was a news related to JPY. What I just I just choose to ignore this. There was a news related to USD, which means that all the JPY pairs can move, USD will move, and yen will move as well. But I chose to ignore this. Euro will move. All the pairs are gonna move since it's a high impact news. But I chose to ignore it, and this took my stop. Otherwise, I don't think there was any reason not to short over here and try this trade out. So this was a genuine mistake. Again, as I said, I chose to ignore. I could have easily exited this trade before 8:30 because I did not take this trade exactly at 8:30. I took it half an hour or 45 minutes before 8:30. So I could have easily chose to ignore this trade or exit this trade at C2C. But again, as I said, I did not want it to end the week on smaller profits, and hence I took a 1 hour risk in this as well. So 1 hour and 1.5 hour in CAT JPY got me a minus 2.5 hour, and overall I am down almost minus 2.75 hour for the week. So that is how my week ended, and I hope you guys can learn from my mistake as well. The mistake is not how and what you trade or how you execute your orders. Most of the time it's the mindset with which you trade and how you have slept, how your day has been. All these things factor in when you are trading professionally, so you have to take care of all these things. Only then you can make money consistently over a period of time. So I hope you learn something from my video, and if you like this video, you can like and subscribe to my channel and comment your queries, and you can share this to your trading pairs as well. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll be back with another video by Saturday or Sunday. Bye bye.